One of the things you ladies tell me over and over again is that you want to look stylish without looking like you're trying too hard. So today, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to simplify your style. The center focus of your wardrobe should really be around timeless and classic pieces. Pieces that don't go out of style year after year. Pieces that you'll look back in 5, 10, 20, maybe even 50 years and you won't say, oh my goodness, what was I wearing? I ruffle a few feathers every time I say this, but your wardrobe really should consist of neutral pieces. So here I'm wearing a neutral blazer, ivory jeans, and then a baby blue button-up. But look how the baby blue really shines out against those other neutral pieces. Having a wardrobe of neutral pieces allows you to almost endlessly mix and match for an unlimited number of outfits. But it is okay to have a few muted colors here to accent the wardrobe. So with this muted pink, the color allows me to shine in the dress, not the dress to shine or outshine me. Let me be clear, high quality does not mean expensive. For instance, I'm wearing a high-quality blazer and high-quality cashmere sweater tee here. The blazer was a bit pricey, but the cashmere sweater tee was a budget buy, and both are good quality. This means that you will get years of wear out of those pieces when they're high quality, instead of having a hole in it or a rip or a hem come out within a year or two. Again, I invested in the blazer here. The white button-up was a mid-range price and it goes on sale frequently, but the jeans were relatively inexpensive. Clean lines and simple silhouettes really stand the test of time. You won't look back at this dress in 20 years and think, oh good heavens, what was I wearing? The best part of this A-line dress here is it allows me to shine rather than the dress outshining me. And it may look like it's white on camera, but it's actually a light beige color. Another example here of a clean line and simple silhouette is this sweater jacket, shell, and jeans. While there is a little bit of detail on the sweater jacket, it's still overall a clean line and simple boxy silhouette for that Chanel feel to it. This one will stand the test of time. Certainly, as we age, we start to prioritize comfort, and comfort is king, or in our case, queen. And one of the things you can do to simplify your style is to opt for slightly oversized fits. Nothing skin tight, nothing fitted, nothing that's going to make you uncomfortable. Again, this cardigan and the jeans are another example of slightly oversized fit. It's not the skinny jeans, fitted jeans that show the silhouette. As we age in the midlife years, we certainly get a few more lumps and bumps than we asked for, and around the midsection as well. So an oversized fit accommodates your midlife body. And stay tuned, 5 more tips to come.